Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your financial aid options with FAFSA, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what FAFSA stands for, the Free Application for Federal Student Aid. Visit the official FAFSA website at www.fafsa.gov. Create an FSA ID, which will serve as your electronic signature. Gather necessary documents, including your Social Security number and tax returns. If you're a dependent student, collect your parents' financial information as well. Fill out the FAFSA form accurately and completely. Be mindful of deadlines to ensure you don't miss out on aid opportunities. Consider listing multiple colleges on your FAFSA to maximize your options. Use correct school codes for the institutions you want to attend. Double-check your application for any errors before submitting. Submit your FAFSA application online to speed up processing. Keep a copy of your confirmation receipt for your records. After submission, you'll receive your student aid report, which summarizes your information. Review your student aid report carefully for any discrepancies. If needed, make corrections directly through the FAFSA website. Look into state and institutional aid programs by checking the requirements on your college's financial aid page. Stay informed about various scholarship opportunities to supplement your financial aid. Maintain clear communication with your college financial aid office for guidance and updates. Be proactive in appealing financial aid offers if your situation changes, like loss of income. Keep track of all financial aid deadlines each year to ensure you maximize your funding options. Consider applying for additional scholarships even after receiving your financial aid. Review your financial situation annually to adjust your FAFSA and update for any changes. Stay organized and keep all documents in a dedicated folder for easy access in future years. Following these steps can significantly increase your financial aid options through FAFSA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.